This is where it starts, in the chloroplast, then in for the grana. If light's present, electrons say yay, ETC takes it away, happens in the day. You needed glucose, so we made it, we put on a show. Photosynthesis, 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O equals glucose, oxygen. I am an electron, I'll show you. ETC is where I go through all the way from PS2, splitting up H2O, making ATP as we go. Now I'm in PS1, excited from the sun. This is photosynthesis, this is photosynthesis, this is photosynthesis. NADPH starts Calvin's cycle, making glucose in the stroma. Listen to me, every flower and tree, ATP is the key
for Calvin's cycle.
So let's make some food for our plant friends whenever they need some nutrition. Chlorophyll's green, trapping light beams in reactions unseen. And it goes like this. I am an electron, I'll show you. ETC is where I go through PS2 to PS1. Took some light from the sun, went to Calvin's cycle, made some glucose, now we're done.